G'day everyone, in this video we're building this RC car, part 1. I've already done some stuff to it, like building the remote, but we're going to build the receiver and try and get a couple wires soldered, and then in another video we'll do day 2. We need to solder these red and black wires to our main power source, and then these wires to these wires here. We're probably going to start with stripping all the wires and then twisting them ready to solder. Alright, time to solder. We have the joins done. Let's move on to the heat shrink. Time to shrink it down. Alright, the next one. Alright, we're going to need to strip these wires a bit more, and then we can solder. Alright, time to solder. Alright, fingers crossed this works. If this works, you got to give us a like and subscribe. Alright, that's already on. It's soldered. I didn't solder a switch in there. Here's the final thing. If I press this on, hopefully it'll work. 3, 2, 1. Oh, lights are up. Let's see if it'll actually transmit with the transmitter. So, as you can see, this is not touching it, no wires going to it, and I'll lift this up. It's working, let's go. Try reverse. It's working. I just need a few more volts on the main battery, and then I think we should be good. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. We got the forward and backward working. Subscribe to see me do the left and right steering.